Today's topic is solution of differential equation using Laplace transformation. Okay. So, what is differential equation? First of all, tell me what is it? Yes, students, what is differential equation?
Equation having derivatives.
An equation which has derivative in it. Okay, that's correct. Solving differential equation means what? Solving differential equation means what? To get original equation by. Okay. What would be that equation? What would have been that equation? जिसका derivative और जिसका equation आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? Question में दिया हुआ है. Okay. तो हमको y ढूंढना, original equation ढूंढना है. Okay. So that is the meaning of the solution of your differential equation. But using Laplace transformation, we are going to see that. Before that, you need to recall the formula which we have done in the previous chapter. That is, what is the Laplace transformation of f dash of t? What is the Laplace transformation of f dash of t? No one rules that. That's into f of s minus f of 0. Then, what is Laplace transformation of f double dash of t? It is s square into
S
f
square
of
f
s
of s
minus
minus
s into
s.
f of 0 minus f dash of 0. Can you see the pattern which is being formed in this? तो अगर f double dash निकाले तो s square से start होता है. And then आगे आगे जैसे जाते हैं वैसा पावर क्या हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है. Then tell me f triple dash of t क्या हो जाएगा? What is Laplace transformation of f triple dash of t? Follow the sequence.
S cube f of s
S cube f of s
minus
minus
s square f f of 0 ha
yes, then
minus s f dash of 0 minus f double dash of 0.
yes, you answered it correctly. Okay, and so on you find out the Laplace of the derivatives. Okay, so whatever we are going to get, that will be in terms of f of s. Okay, can you see f of s? And everywhere this formula, no, f of s term is there. So whatever we are going to get, that is your f of s. But हमें क्या चाहिए? f of t चाहिए. डेरिवेटिव f dash of t है ना, हम जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें f of t मिलना चाहिए. f of s नहीं ढूंढना है, हमें क्या ढूंढना है? f of t ढूंढना है. Solving differential equation is we want to find out f of t, ना कि f of s. ओके, तो जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो आपका दो स्टेप में आंसर होगा. स्टेप 1 रहेगा फाइंड f of s, देन f of t कैसे मिलेगा? f of t कैसे मिलेगा? बाय टेकिंग Laplace inverse of f of s. जब Laplace inverse of f of s लेंगे तो what I will get? I will get f of t. Understood to all of you what we have to do in this? तो ये फॉर्मूले हमें हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. फॉर्मूले का यूज होगा और ये स्टेप आपके आगे का कि पहले आपको क्या निकालना है? f of s निकालना है, उसका Laplace inverse लेके हमें f of t कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, I hope I'm audible properly to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, student.
Now you are audible.
So yes, I was not audible or what?
Your voice was a bit low initially. Now it's fine.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now let us start with the question using Laplace transformation. Solve using Laplace transformation method, solve differential equation. Solve differential equation, and this is the differential equation. So first question I will be explaining you all, and from the second question onwards you try to do it by yourself. So I'll just put it. Shall we begin? Are you
Ma'am,
all
is it
ready?
C or 9?
9. It is 9, not G. Shall I begin with the solution? Are you all ready? So in case you find any difficulty, you stop and you ask me, okay? Because only one question I'll be doing, another question onwards, you're going to try by yourself. Let us see the solution of this. Very slowly I'll go. In case you find any difficulty or you're not getting anything, you can ask me. So first thing I'm going to write down what is the given differential equation. So what is it? The given differential equation is, write it down, d square y by dt square. That I can write it as y double dash of t, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Y double dash of t. Then minus 3 times y dash of t is equals to 9. One more thing is given to us that, when t is 0, value of y is also 0 and derivative is also 0. So at t, both of them are 0. That also you need to understand that this means what? Key value of y at t equals to 0 is what? 0. And what is it? It is value of the derivative at 0 is 0. You understand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, so these are the things which are given to us. Also, I'll write over here. Also, we are given that y of 0 is 0 and y dash of 0 is 0. These are not my own assumptions. These are the values which are given to us in the question. So now I will take the Laplace on both the sides. So what I will get, Laplace of y double dash of t. 3 is constant, that will be out. Then Laplace of y dash of t. 9 is also constant. What is left inside is 1. So Laplace of 1. Now you just have to apply the formula. What is the Laplace of y double dash of t? Just now I gave you all formula. Laplace of
Ma'am,
y
S
double
square
dash of t. It is s square into
f of t.
हाँ f of t कैसे आ जाएगा?
Sorry, y of t, ma'am.
y of t भी कैसे आएगा? y of s आएगा, s square into y of s. Formula क्या था? See the formula. What was that? You all take the screenshot of the formula. It was f dash रहेगा तो s into f of s लिख रहे हैं हम. बट हमारा जो इक्वेशन उसमें y dash हमने लिखा है तो y dash की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? y of s. Okay. Minus s into y of, sorry, yeah, s into y of 0 minus
Y dash
y
0.
dash of 0.
Y dash
Correct.
of 0.
ये हो गया हमारे फर्स्ट टर्म का Laplace. Minus 3 times, what is the Laplace of the second term? Laplace of y dash of t.
S into y of s
Yes, s into y of s
minus y of 0.
is equals to 9 into, what is Laplace transformation of 1?
1 by s.
It is 1 over s. Correct. Okay. Now you just have to put the values, take a y of s common and get the answer. So what is this? ये term क्या हो जाएगा? Y of 0 and y dash of 0 वाला. तो इनका value क्या दिया हुआ है हमें?
0.
0 है. तो ये सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? 0. तो only left terms are what? The terms which will be
S
left
square y
will
of
be,
s minus 3 times of s
yes,
y.
s square into ये term बचेगा. Then minus 3 times y of s. यही बचेगा ना? और कुछ बचेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will take y of s common from them. Let's see what I will get. What will be left inside the bracket if I take y of s common from the blue highlighted terms?
Ma'am, s minus 3.
S minus 3 means.
S minus 3 कैसे होगा?
Ma'am, s
S square.
s square नहीं ले रहे ना मैम कॉमन.
Ma'am, there is S here, so S square is
हम
not
लोग कॉमन ले
possible.
रहे s y of
We'll
s
take
common
S.
ले रहे हैं.
We'll take S common later on. Okay. Right now I'm taking only this thing. But we are also right. Okay. So what is left? So we'll keep only y of s one side because in step 1, what are we finding? We're finding y of s. This is step 1. So 9 upon s is already here. This also will come on this side. Now as well said, s is also common, so that will be out of the bracket. So I'll get 9 upon s square into s minus 3. Is this clear? Step 1 is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll go towards the step 2 because we have to find out the y of t, ना कि हमें ये निकालना है. ओके, मतलब y of x में निकल गया, उसकी हेल्प से हमें क्या निकलेगा, y of t निकलेगा. तो see how it is. Therefore, what we got y of s as this 9 upon s square into s minus 3. Now I will take Laplace inverse on both the sides. Since 9 is constant, that will be out of the Laplace, and 1 upon s square into s minus 3 का आप Laplace inverse निकालोगे. Now the question is how? How are you going to
मैम
find it
अभी
out?
निकाले थे ना हम लोग कोई भी कांस्टेंट टर्म से s स्क्वायर माइनस है, मतलब मल्टीप्लायर है,
हाँ.
तो हम लोग लिखते थे इंटीग्रेशन 0 to t.
Okay, yeah, correct. Bipin, whatever you're saying, that's right. Recall. Yeah, what was the formula? If you're having, if you want to find a Laplace inverse of f of s, but that f of s is divided by s. Okay, भाई अब बोलोगे मैम ये प्रॉपर्टी इधर अप्लाई हो रही है क्या? What do you think? ये प्रॉपर्टी इधर अप्लाई होगी?
Yes मैम.
Just see इधर, हाँ इधर अप्लाई होगी because आपको f of s it is divided by s square. तो ये प्रॉपर्टी कितनी बार यूज करेंगे हम?
2 बार.
2 बार यूज करेंगे. See how we are going to use this property. You getting it, kids? May I know your yes or no? What it is? ये प्रॉपर्टी पहले अच्छे से समझ के लो बिकॉज ये प्रॉपर्टी हम बहुत बार यूज करेंगे ये प्रॉब्लम में, ये टॉपिक के अंदर. इज दिस क्लियर? सो हियर यू कैन सी द योर फंक्शन इज डिवाइडेड बाय s स्क्वायर. तो मतलब ये प्रॉपर्टी इधर एप्लीकेबल है. तो आपका f ऑफ s इधर क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे डिवाइड हो रहा है. तो बाय दिस प्रॉपर्टी आंसर क्या होता है, इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 to t f of t dt.
f of t dt.
ओके, f of t कहाँ से मिलेगा?
f of t हम लोग को मैम जो
by
भी हम लोग
finding Laplace
निकाला,
inverse of f of s. f of s का Laplace inverse लोगे एंड उससे आपको क्या मिलेगा, f of t. फिर इसको इधर पुट कर दो एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. सो लेट अस सी दैट इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है. सो बताओ, इन Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square into s minus 3, what is your f of s? What is your f
मैम
of s? तो s को
1/s.
छोड़कर ना जो बचा वाला टर्म है वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, f of s हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया 1 upon s minus 3. फिर क्या निकालोगे आप इसका क्विकली, यू विल फाइंड आउट f of t, दैट
f
इज
of
बाय
t.
टेकिंग Laplace inverse of f of s. फिर क्या हो जाएगा, ये Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 3 कितना होगा?
मैम e raised to 3t.
करेक्ट. नाउ ये क्या हो
Yes
गया,
मैम.
Laplace inverse of f of s लिया. नाउ वी व्हाट इफ आई डिवाइड f of s by s, है ना, ये Laplace inverse of f of s. अब अगर मैं
अब
f of s को
इंटीग्रेट
ऐसे
करेंगे.
डिवाइड कर दूं तो क्या हो जाएगा, इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 to t f of t dt. ओके, व्हाट वाज योर f of s? इट वाज f of s हमने क्या लिया है, 1 upon s minus
s
3, वो
minus
सब्स्टिट्यूट
3
किया.
मैम.
f of t क्या मिला हमें, e raised to 3t मिला.
e raised to 3t.
अभी इंटीग्रेट कर दो. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e raised to 3t क्या होता
मैम
है,
e
e raised to
raised to
3t
3t
upon
upon 3 उसके
limit from
कोएफिशिएंट
0 to t.
0
put
to t.
upper
yes मैम.
limit 1 upon 3 constant है, e raised to 3t minus e raised to 0. so आंसर आएगा 1 upon 3 e raised to 3t minus 1. ठीक है,
फिर वापस हम लोग करेंगे एक और बार मैम.
यस वापस से इसको मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. f of s अपॉन s जो है इसको एक बार और डिवाइड करेंगे हम s से. so again integrate करेंगे 0 to t f of t dt. what are another time which f of t are going to consider, this
1/3 e
or
raised to
this?
3t minus 1.
Correct. So this will be integral from 0 to 3t 1 upon 3 e raised to 3t minus 1. Now 1 upon 3 is constant, बाहर ले लेते हैं. Integration of e raised to 3t is e raised to 3t upon 3 minus t
minus t
0 to t.
0 to t मैम.
Put the limits 1 upon 3. अपर लिमिट इज 30, तो t की जगह पे पुट करोगे तो यही आने वाला है. लोअर लिमिट इज 0, तो e raised to 0 upon 3 minus 0 हो जाएगा. ये सॉल्व करेंगे इसको फर्दर. so e raised to 3t upon 3 minus t minus 1/3 आता है आंसर. मिल गया कि नहीं आपको आंसर? तो ये क्या हो गया, Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square into s minus 3. अभी किधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे हम,
इक्वेशन नंबर मैम ऊपर वाले में 1 upon s square
equation number
वाले
1.
Laplace inverse of
Yes. So from 1, what I will get?
Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square s
Y
minus
of
3
t is
equal to
equals to 9 times 1 upon 3 into e raised to 3t by 3 minus t minus 1 by 3. Now this and this will get cancelled. 3 आएगा, 3 को अंदर multiply करते हैं bracket के, तो I'll get e raised to 3t minus 3t minus 1. Correct है ये answer?
yes ma'am.
Have you all understood how have I done this? Yes, students, tell me quickly, have you all understood this problem? Or do you want me to repeat?
Ma'am, could you please repeat the second part? Say step
Okay.
2.
Step 2. Where you didn't get Basil, may I know where are you getting stuck?
I mean, how to use this formula f of s upon s?
Now
Okay.
this formula is applicable when you know there is a denominator, there is s. Okay, so we are going to apply this rule.
That independent s.
Yes, f of s upon s. Now this is very different. Visible है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो ये एफ ऑफ टी अपॉन टी ये यूज करोगे क्या, जब आपका एफ ऑफ एस क्या रहेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय एस रहेगा, दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, अभी बोलोगे कि व्हाई इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू दिस क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर दैट देयर इज अ एस इन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो अगर एस डिनोमिनेटर में रहता तो एस को छोड़ के जो बचा हुआ टर्म है उसको आप क्या ले लेते हो, एफ ऑफ एस ले लेते हो, जैसे मैंने इधर लिया एफ ऑफ एस. ठीक है, पहले ये बताओ ये प्रॉपर्टी समझ में आएगा, बिकॉज प्रॉपर्टी समझ में आएगा तो मुझे लगता है कि इतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट लगेगा आपको. प्रॉपर्टी कैसे यूज हो रहा है समझ में आया वो बताओ.
Ma'am, why
नहीं
are we
समझा
splitting
प्रॉपर्टी,
1 by s square and 1 by s minus 3?
स्प्लिट करना है. विल दैट बी इजी? मतलब इजी तो रहेगा, मतलब स्प्लिटिंग पॉसिबल कैसे होगा, मुझे लगता है कॉन्वोल्यूशन थ्योरम अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Convolution theorem say that can be solved, but again that is a big task. Okay, so to reduce our task we are using this property. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so when is this property applicable? When your f of s is divided by s. So what you have to do, you just have to integrate from 0 to t whom f of t. From where you will get this f of s, जो f of s है ना उसका आप लाप्लास इनवर्स निकालोगे, तो you will get f of t, तो वो इधर पुट करो तो आपको ये पूरे टर्म का क्या हो जाएगा, लाप्लास इनवर्स मिल जाएगा. ओके, तो जैसे कि आप ये क्वेश्चन में देखोगे तो इसमें क्या था हमारा f of s, it was 1 upon s minus 3. Then I took its Laplace inverse, I got e raised to 3t. ओके, नाउ ये जो लाप्लास इनवर्स हमने निकाला f of s का, भी मैं इसको किससे डिवाइड करूंगी, s से. सो व्हेन आई डिवाइडेड बाय s, आई नो कि इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, इट इज इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 to t f of t dt. गेटिंग इट बेसिन?
Ma'am, but why do we, but there is s square and s in the, I mean, s, there is a s in that formula, but there is a square in, is there any difference?
No. See, whatever you say, I got it. Okay, so you're saying that there is this thing, no? 1 upon s square into s minus c. There's s square. No, then why are we applying this? Is that your question?
Yes, ma'am, but it looks different. That's the reason. There is 1 by s.
One, see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this formula 2 times. I'm going to apply this property 2 times. Like how we used to do this problem, you know, e raised to 3, e raised to t, t into sine t. What we were doing in that, we were first applying this multiplication by t property and then first shifting property, right? We were applying 2 properties at the same time or 3 property at the same time. Yes, correct. Whatever, yes, whatever you said right now, no, that is right. So first, this is my f of s minus 3. Then I'm going to apply this property f of s by s. एक बार s को divide किया, you will get some output. Then again I'm going to divide that by जो भी output आएगा उसको again I will divide it by s. So I'll get 1 of f of s upon s square. So it's like piping. So whatever f of t I will get for this will work for this, and whatever I get for this will work for this. It is like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first I divided by s. So I got some f of t which is over here, e raised to 3t. उसको integrate किया, I got this. ये आंसर मिला हमें. Then I need to divide it one more time. So as you can see here, no, this was my f of s. I divided it one more time. So again, answer will be integral from 0 to t f of t. Now, which f of t are going to use? This one or this one? Which one you will use?
Final one.
The latest one, no, the current one. T वाला use करोगे आप. So that I substituted over here. Understood now?
Got it, got it. So this use
Okay,
piping.
then yeah.
So I was confused
Yes,
initially about the
yes.
square thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so yeah, let me give you one question. मतलब ये property बहुत use हो रही है या मतलब इसमें problem है तो I'll give you one more question. Just try this out and I know you all can do this question. So at least you all tell me कि y of s क्या मिलता है पहले and then हम y of t की तरफ देखेंगे साथ में. So I'll just write down dy by dt. You'll just try it. Everyone has to try this out. Unless you will do by yourself, you will not understand. 3 times y of t plus 2 times integral from 0 to t y of t dt is equals to t. Given y of 0 equals to 0. Okay, come on, let's try this out. Solve it. First, you write down the given differential equation, then take Laplace, then get y of s. चलो y of s क्या मिलता है पहले वो बताओ, बाकी हम बाद में देखते हैं. Giving you all 5 minutes, okay? चलो आई थिंक ये आपको आना चाहिए, हो जाएगा इजीली.
हम dy by dt में पहले लेंगे y dash of t.
Yeah, solve Vipin, then later on you can put your answer in the chat box. I'll see, okay? Okay, hello. Did you get the answer for this? Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. I'm struggling to find out Laplace of t.
What is Laplace of t? You don't know the formula? You've forgotten? Okay, I'll write down over here. Now you try and tell me what are you getting. Laplace of t raised to n is, what is it?
Factory upon t. No, S3. Okay, got it, ma'am.
Okay, whoever gets the answer, kindly put it in the chat box. I'll come to know that you are getting it.
I mean, I'm talking about inverse of Laplace of t.
Okay, did you get y of s? Did you get y of s?
No, ma'am, but I'm solving that y of s thing. I'm talking about right side.
Okay, so tell me, what should I do further? Come on, everyone, pay attention, stop doing. Tell me, what should I do further?
Ma'am, we can convert this integral to y of
First one,
t minus y0.
integration code.
No, Bessie, you don't have to do that thing, okay? You have to
Why,
take
ma'am?
Laplace on both the sides. So take Laplace on both the sides. Plus 3 is constant. Laplace of y of t. 2 is constant. Laplace of integral from 0 to t y of t dt. And the right hand side Laplace of t. Laplace of y dash of t क्या लिखा आप लोगों ने बताओ?
Ma'am, sys minus y of 0.
करेक्ट. ये हो जाएगा इस फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए. प्लस 3 टाइम्स Laplace of y of t क्या होगा? y of s.
Y of
Plus
s हो
2
जाएगा ma'am.
times. What is Laplace of the integral? We know the property of Laplace of integral. What is it? Laplace of integral from 0 to t f of t
1 by
क्या
s of
होता है?
n to f of s.
Yes, 1 upon s into y of s हो गई है. And this will be 1 upon s square. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Got the issue.
Yeah. Now ये values इधर आपको put करना है and solve करना. तो ये term क्या हो जाएगा? Vanish हो जाएगा. What is left? Now जो भी left है उसमें से हम y of s common निकालेंगे. तो you will get s plus 3 plus 2 upon s into y of s is equals to 1 upon s square. Now take LCM. LCM is s. Now multiply throughout by LCM. So I'll get s square plus 3s plus 2. Did you get this calculation? This and this will get cancelled. And what is left then? Y of s is equals to 1 upon s into s square plus 3s plus 2. So this is your y of s. Got it?
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
में आया आप लोग को? where you were getting stuck? कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन को? चलो अभी लाप्लास इनवर्स निकालो. मैंने तो इतना तो करके दिखा दिया. चलो फाइंड आउट लाप्लास इनवर्स एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज इट.
Ma'am, is question direct integration not possible?
Direct integration not possible means I didn't get you.
I mean, there is an integration part in this question.
Okay, are you so you're telling me the further? Hello, I got disconnected. Can you please repeat, Basil? What are you saying?
Ma'am, since in the question that there is a integration 0 to 3 y of t dt, so direct integration not possible.
Why you have to direct integrate? Like, do you know the function in it? Do you know the
Okay,
function
so
in it?
Laplace will be there.
Yes. Yeah, Laplace, you
Okay,
know,
ma'am.
Laplace will be there. So you don't know y of t, then how would you integrate it? So, but by taking Laplace, and we know the Laplace of integral is what? 1 upon s into y of s. We don't know y of s. Now we got it. No, y of s kya mila humko? 1
Yes,
upon s
ma'am.
into s square
Got
plus
the
3s plus
issue.
2. Okay. Now in step 2, you have to take its inverse. So y of s, you have got it already. It is 1 upon s into s square plus 3s plus 2. Take its Laplace inverse. Now what to do further? Now you all know that.
Ma'am, we can split it.
Splitting.
I mean, s square plus 3x plus 2 can be split.
But still
मैम
s
आएगा
is
हम लोग
there,
का
no?
s+1 और s+2 स्प्लिट किए तो
उसे क्या होगा? उससे क्या होगा?
उससे कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन मैम हम लोग ऐसे भी रख सकते
बट ये 1 upon s नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? डिवाइडेड बाय s है.
मैम इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू t मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू t
अच्छा. तो f of
वो
s क्या लूं मैं इधर? इसका आंसर
f
क्या
of
हो
s
जाएगा?
मैम
हाँ, so since
स्क्वायर
my
प्लस
function is
1 अपॉन
divided by
x
s, तो इसका आंसर होगा integral from 0 to t. I should write it below. देखो इधर, here you can see, you know, कि आपको जो function it is divided by s. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Integral from 0 to t f of t dt. But what is your f of t? F of t is what? Laplace inverse of f of s. But what is f of s over here?
मैम s² प्लस 3s प्लस 2 1 अपॉन
फर्स्ट में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मुझे पहले f of t ढूंढना होगा, ठीक है? तो f of s क्या लूं मैं इसमें f of s क्या होगा मेरा? बताओ बेसिल, what is f of s in this?
1 by s square plus 3s plus 2.
Correct. So it is 1 upon s square plus 3s plus 2. तो मुझे पहले f of t ढूंढना है, तो उसके लिए मुझे इसका लाप्लास इनवर्स लेना पड़ेगा. So that I'll put in equation number 1 और ये 2 डाल देते, 2 1 2 पता. I'll put in this equation and I will integrate and I'll get the answer for this. तो चलो इनवर्स लेते हैं इसका. 1 upon s square plus 3s plus 2. इसको कैसे करोगे? मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ था प्रीवियसली, जिसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे, इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैसे बनाएंगे हम इसको? s स्क्वायर प्लस 3s में क्या ऐड और सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए. तो स्टूडेंट, जब भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना होता है ना, तो क्या करते हैं, ये जो मिडिल टर्म होता है ना, जो एक्स का कोएफिशिएंट है क्या है b, उसको 2 से डिवाइड करो और स्क्वायर करो उसका. इधर मिडिल टर्म क्या है 3 को 2 से डिवाइड किया, उसका स्क्वायर किया तो क्या मिलेगा 9/4. तो 9/4 ऐड किया तो सबट्रैक्ट भी करना पड़ेगा एंड दिस 2 विल बी एज इट इज. गॉट इट? तो ये हो जाएगा लाप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ व्हाट इज दिस? ये किसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन रहा है? इट इज s plus 3/2 द होल स्क्वायर. और ये कितना आएगा? 2 minus 9/4 कितना होता है? 8 minus 9/4 which is -1/4. तो ये आता है -1/4. Got it? What I'm doing in this, are you understanding it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now अभी ये किसका फॉर्मूला लग रहा है? इसको आगे सॉल्व कैसे करोगे? 1 upon s plus 3 the whole square minus 1/4 the whole square. मतलब 1/4 that is 1/2 the whole square. तो ये इसका फॉर्मूला लग रहा है, लाप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ 1 upon s square minus a square. क्या होता है इसका आंसर? 1 upon a hyperbolic sin of 80.
साइन ऑफ
ठीक है, तो इधर बताओ जरा क्या लिखूं मैं? बट इधर s स्क्वायर की जगह s plus 3/2 है, तो s plus 3/2 से हम s पाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद e raised to minus 3/2t. समझा ये? तो ये हो जाएगा e raised to minus 3/2t into 1 upon a. a क्या है हमारा? इट इज 1/2 into hyperbolic sin of 80. 80 is this. ये क्लियर है आप सभी को? This half will go up. You will get 2 times e raised to minus 3/2t. This hyperbolic sin of half t I can write it this way: e raised to half t minus e raised to minus half t upon 2. क्यों ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ मैं ये? Because hyperbolic of sin x, what I know that it is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2. Got it? तो ये फॉर्मूला उधर अप्लाई किया है. क्यों वो मैं बताती हूँ आपको रीजन क्या है. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Multiply this inside. So what I will get? ये ऐसा कुछ आएगा. If I'm not wrong, just check के ही मिलेगा कि नहीं. तो ये मिला आपको f of t. इस f of t को किधर पुट करना है अभी? In equation number 2. तो हमें y of t मिल जाएगा इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 to t f of t dt. f of t हमें मिला है e raised to minus t minus e raised to minus 2t. अभी तो इंटीग्रेशन इजी है कि नहीं? e raised to minus t का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? e raised to minus t upon
Z
minus
by
1.
minus 1. Yes, ma'am. Is minus
Yes.
2t upon minus 2.
Yes. Then थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके फिर लिमिट्स पुट करते हैं. 0 to t. Put upper limit, then minus lower limit. Half e raised to minus 2t, the lower limit is 0. ठीक है. अब इसको सॉल्व करके तो you will get half e raised to minus 2t minus e raised to minus t minus
1
plus
by
half
2
plus 1 by 2. So ये आपका फाइनल आंसर
माइनस ही आएगा.
प्लस
माइनस ही
जाएगा.
आएगा.
प्लस आएगा. माइनस है बाहर.
अंदर प्लस की साइन.
देखो ये क्या है? -1 होगा प्लस हाफ. -1 प्लस हाफ क्या होगा? माइनस हाफ. माइनस हाफ है ये हो गया. ये माइनस ऑलरेडी बाहर है तो प्लस हाफ हो जाएगा. गॉट इट बिपिन? ठीक है. So with this, ये टॉपिक भी हमारा खत्म होता है. I'll just give you one homework question. Do try this out. That is very easy question. Okay, हो जाएगा easily. तो होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है ये y 4 times y is equals to sin 3t. Given that y of 0, y dash of 0, both of them are 0. Okay, will you all try this? तो ये टॉपिक भी हमारा खत्म होता है. Now we are
Yes,
only
ma'am.
left with only this thing, special functions that we will that will need 1 or 2 more lectures, and then we are done.